So these three fuel are all different fuel from densest to squishiest. This is the fuel from the kit parts, while these fuel are from the pre-orders. So I'm just gonna do like a full force compression test. So this is the kit part one. This is the denser of the pre-orders, and this is the squishier of the pre-orders. So.
So this is the new batch of balls from Anymark, batch 338. It's kind of squishy. It's a little bit softer than the ones you get in kit parts, but still within the same batch 338. This one is a lot more squishy than the other one, like significantly so. Then we also have this one from batch 338. It's kind of on the hard side, but there's this like weird kind of pocket of air in here, like a lemon deglaminated from 2020 or 2021. And so you can see, like, push in there.
No, they were like, we waited.
It's a full divot where there's like no foam underneath the skin for 5-10 mil. It's very odd. And it's brand new, straight out of the box.
Go. You can start.
I don't know, how do we measure that? It's like 30-40 mil.
It's just a bubble.
It is just a bowl. It's also like just
inside the
skin.
bubbles got skin.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Well,
distressing.
no, because it's a self-spinning cup.
Yeah,
That's
no.
how these are made.
Yeah, but it's distressing, isn't it? When there's skin on the inside. There's not supposed to be skin on the
It's like
inside.
40 mil deep as well.
Oh
This
man,
pocket.
that's a massive. That's
Yeah,
massive.
I cover it half pretty much.
Have we had
Balloon
any that
can fit his entire.
Hey Mel, can you demo it for the camera, please?
He's filming it.
Can you poke it for the camera?
Can I poke it with the hole? Distressing.